This kit includes the CV joint assembly, high-angle CV housing cap boot, bolt flanges, socket head bolts, 6 mm Allen wrench. Also includes low-friction CV grease engineered specifically for the high RPM needs of the JK CV joint. The grease features high viscosity surface bonding characteristics required to properly adhere the grease to all moving surfaces. Package dimensions: 9L×5W×5H. The TeraFlex JK high-angle or Rzeppa factory replacement CV joint kit allows the JK owner to replace a worn or damaged or Rzeppa CV joint and retain their factory JK driveline without an expensive upgrade. The high-angle CV housing reduces boot failure associated with taller lift heights. This is especially important on JKs with 3 or more inches of lift. Top reviews from the United States. Would recommend this quality part. Replaced the original front drive shaft joint on my 2012 JK Sport model. Gave it a good workout off-road about 2 weeks ago. A quality part and working great so far. Only about 250 miles on it to date.